Hi friends, in this video I will share with you how you can register your account in OLX and list your products for sale. Install the app from Google Play Store and register your account either with Facebook, mobile number or email ID. OLX is India's leading marketplace where thousands of ads are available of goods for sale from fashion, electronics, furniture to jobs and services listing. In order to start your reselling, you have to enter your profile details. Select the option My Account. Select View and Edit Profile. Select Edit Profiles. Enter your name, describe something about you, and enter your mobile number. There is an option Information where you can connect your social media link to the OLX. Select the option Save. Let's check how you can list your products for sale. Enter the title of the product and describe about your products. Select the option Next. Upload the images of the product. Select Next. Enter the price of the product. Select Next. Enter the location. Select Next. Review your details and update. Now your ad is being processed and it will be live after a few minutes. You can analyze status of your product very easily. Views and likes are the two options that help you to know the demand of your product in that locality. There is an option Chats where you can text your customers and get the orders. You can upload 5 free ads at a time and each ad will go live for a period of 1 month. OLX is a very good platform to get traffic to your products and to connect with your customers. But you have to follow some tips and tricks. Let's check what are they. Tip number 1. Enter genuine profile and connect it with some verified social media links. It definitely helps you to get more followers. Tip number 2. Location where you post your product for sale. You should analyze the location where the product gets more attention. Tip number 3. Edit your ad once in 2 days. It will help you to top up your product next to the featured ads. Tip number 4. Upload only quality images. You can upload up to 8 images. Uploading more images will help you to sell your products more easily. And the last image should be your logo. Tip number 5. Title of your product. Title of your product should be specific and short. Use some adjectives to describe your product. It will catch the attention of the people. Price of the product. Set your amount as cheap. For example, if you want to sell the product for 500, set amount as 499. And don't change prices by it causes the people to think that you're posting a fake. Description of the product. You should describe in detail about the product. Don't forget to highlight your services. Also suggest the occasion where they can use the product. This is all about OLX. I hope this video will help you in your reselling and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like and share. Thank you.